Unleash the power of nettles, foraging stinging nettle and their uses. Did you know that the stinging nettle, often avoided, is actually a nutritional powerhouse and versatile ingredient? Let's explore how to safely forage and use this amazing plant. Nettles have distinctive serrated leaves and square stems. Look for opposite leaf arrangements and tiny stinging hairs. Be absolutely sure of your identification before harvesting. Always wear gloves and long sleeves when handling nettles. The sting is temporary but can be unpleasant. Once cooked or dried, the stinging properties disappear. Harvest young nettle leaves in the spring before they flower. Use scissors or pruners to cut the top few inches of the plant. Avoid areas that may be contaminated with pesticides or pollutants. Place your harvested nettles in a bag or basket. Handle them carefully to avoid getting stung. Remember to leave plenty of plants behind to ensure the patch continues to thrive. Nettles can be used like spinach in soups, stews, and smoothies. Blanching them briefly removes the sting and brightens their color. They have a unique, earthy flavor. Try adding nettles to pesto, omelets, or even making nettle tea. They are packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy and delicious addition to your diet. Nettles have been used traditionally for their medicinal properties. They are believed to help with allergies, inflammation, and joint pain. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using nettles for medicinal purposes. Nettle tea can be a soothing and nutritious beverage. Dried nettles can also be used to make tinctures and extracts. Research the benefits and risks before incorporating them into your wellness routine.